Busan for the weekend, and I'm excited because it's Christmas time. There's so much to do in the city. I just learned that there's a fireworks show tonight in Gwangalli Beach, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm at a vegan cafe right now to eat some food, and then afterwards I want to take you all to the biggest department store in the whole wide world. Just in case you don't know who I am, I'm Samantha. I make travel videos. Right now I'm living in South Korea. I'm an EPIC teacher teaching English to middle schoolers, and I like to travel on the weekends. Soon I'm going to be going international to a few different countries, so I'm excited to bring you along. As always, please subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of this kind of content. This morning the weather was definitely cold, but now during the day it's around like 12:30 and it's definitely warming up with the sun, which is a great thing. But I know tonight will be cold, so I'm considering buying some sweatpants at the mall just to sustain warmth tonight. And they haven't done this fireworks show because of COVID. This big one happens once a year, I've been told. I'm gonna now head over to Gwangalli Beach and get some footage of what it looks like during the day, and then at nighttime you'll see how it completely changes into like this beauty. And especially with the fireworks show, there will probably be a lot of people, so let's head over there. Bridge. As you can see, they're already kind of setting up for tonight. There's lots of seats out already, and there's a lot of staff members. There's also like booths are setting up probably for food, I'm seeing. Yeah, I think it will be a really fun night. I just talked to one of the girls that was passing out the pamphlet, and she says the show starts at 7, but to get the best view, and the police of course will cut off the crowds, she said it come at 4 p.m. So she said with the chairs that I saw, you can pay to sit down and watch. So I will probably go to the mall, maybe buy some sweatpants, and then head back around 4 so that I can get a good view and maybe bring some food with me. One thing that I hate about big cities, and I experienced this in Seoul and Busan, but literally you want to cross the main intersection but you can't. So you either have to go underground through the subway station to go across the street, or you have these walkway upstairs, or you just have to literally walk upstairs, which I am doing. And then after, you have to cross the street on a bridge, and then you have to go down the stairs again. Doesn't make sense. I don't want to go here. I want to go here. So I thought I would cross this bridge, but obviously it doesn't get me there. It doesn't work. I don't know. If you have tips, leave them in the comments. Welcome to the world's biggest department store. Let's go explore. Elf scene. I honestly don't know where I am anymore. I'm kind of just following the crowd, This place is literally so huge. Jesus, I'm in like the third building now. All of this looks like pop-up stores, this third building I'm in. It's very interesting. After a lot of attempts trying to find sweatpants, because literally in Korea, and I also checked out a Japan store, everyone's pretty small, so they run very small. But finally I found some. Thank you, champions. Yes, this place is huge and I love it here. It is 3:30 now, so I think it's time to head to Gwangalli. Now to figure out how do I get out of here. I am really shocked that it's still daylight out here. I felt like I was in there forever. But now I'm gonna go ahead and look on Happy Cow to see if I can find any food options so I can bring with me to Gwangalli. Firework time is coming soon. I have officially made it back to Gwangalli. I just got some vegan Indian food that was nearby. So now I'm gonna go to the beach and find a place to sit and eat and wait for the fireworks show. So I'm just going to be real and raw. So I was in Itaewon when the Halloween thing was happening, and it was like very scary. So on this one, you know, there's a lot of people and I'm feeling anxious, but I'm just happy seeing how many like staff members there are in red and police in yellow. So I think it will help with like anything that could go, you know, like a surprise, unprecedented, right? I did check the prices for the seats. The cheapest seat is 70,000 won, and then the more expensive one is 100,000 won. But there are spots where you can just, it's free land basically, and it's marked off, so you can go and sit with friends. I saw earlier people, they had like mats out to reserve space, but it's kind of like a free-for-all. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how fast it got compared to earlier today. Definitely got more packed. So we're gonna find a spot to sit. Hi friends! So we've made it to Gwangalli. I found somewhere to sit in this crowd. And the first fireworks are starting right now. I have my vegan food that I'm going to be eating, and I'm so excited for this event. So it's starting. I feel like right now is the perfect time to be here because there's the sunset happening, so the sky is pink and blue, like cotton candy. It's just like really peaceful. There's a lot of people just sitting with their friends and chilling, eating, hanging out. Alright, you got your people and sitting down. Over there, where's that flag? That's the red zone. That's where you can reserve seats to sit in. And 70,000 won is the starting price for one zone. The green zone, which is in the middle, where you see those green flags. That's where you can pay more money. It's like 100,000 won. And that's what gets you right in the middle with the view of the fireworks. And then you got us, the ones who basically don't want to pay. So the fireworks will go off there, as you can see. They have like 3 boats that are shooting them out. And yeah. And now I'm just gonna chill for a few hours before this actually kicks off. And it is definitely getting colder. I'm seeing a lot of people with like packs, like heat packs to keep warm, lots of blankets, and I also have on some sweats over my jeans. And yeah, that's basically my setup. I'm pretty warm with this jacket that I bought a few weeks ago in Daegu, so I think everything will work out.
In about 2 minutes, it's about to start. Right now, they're doing commentary. It's pretty cold, so I recommend if you do come to definitely wear really warm clothes and bring a blanket. And that's such a great idea because your legs and your feet get really, really cold. So we're about to watch the international shows now. So China's first. It was really cute because the commentators were saying something in Korean and the whole audience went "nay." And "nay" is like a word you use literally for everything. Hello, so we just saw the first round. It was really beautiful, and I was questioning like, how the hell am I here? Like, I didn't even know this was happening today, and here I am in Busan, out of all places, seeing this amazing show by myself, and I just feel like really lucky to be here in this moment, even though I'm probably very blurred. What I'm experiencing right now, but I feel so blessed to have this life and to be here. And I am just so honored and happy that I can live my life like this. I must say, that was probably one of the best fireworks shows I've ever seen in my whole life. And now I'm out here. We're trying to get out of the crowd. It is really kind of hectic, but I'm going to walk a little bit away from Gwangalli Beach because everyone's going to be trying to get on the main subway. So I'm just going to walk a bit. It's only 8 o'clock. Things close at 11 p.m. so I definitely have time. That was very eventful, wasn't it? So now we're going the opposite way, trying to get out of all of this traffic. My phone's on 2%, Another tip, always bring a portable battery charger. It's a must. Even 2 really helps with traveling.